Thank you, Vandana Mathur ma'am, for presenting your research paper. It was really a very nice presentation. Now, I will proceed with the next program of the day, that is felicitation program of today's National E-Conference. I would request our coordinator of BMS and BAF department, mm, Professor Soni Singh, to award the best presentation under students and faculty category. Thank you.
A very good evening to each and everyone present here in this National E-Conference arranged by ZS City's Thakur Shyam Narayan Degree College. Yes, myself, Assistant Professor Soni Singh from the college, ZS City's Thakur Shyam Narayan Degree College, would like to present the best paper presentation for today's National E-Conference. Yes, though it was very tough for me to select the best one, but then too, it has been selected. Like in student category, in all there are total 5 gold medalist paper presentation which have been selected. All was nice, but then too, the best has to be there. Yes, and from faculty also 4 has been awarded as the gold medalist paper presentation. Shall we proceed now? Thank you. Okay, here the first one, that is in student category, goes to Laksh Gupta. He has presented his paper very nicely. Okay. Second, in student category, it is Himanshu Singh and Sakina Badshah. They have presented their paper very nicely, and it has been really a remarkable performance by them also. Yes, proceeding with the next, we have done with the two. Next is Adit Tambe and Zainab Sayyed. They have presented their paper togetherly, and it is really a very remarkable performance by them also. 3 have been awarded yet, that is Laksh Gupta, Himanshu Singh and Sakina Badshah. Proceeding with the next, that is Arthur Singh and Pratham Shah. They have also presented their paper here in National E-Conference, and it is really a very nice gesture of them. Next, Krish Mali and Musharraf Mali. They have also presented their paper very nicely in our National E-Conference. Thank you very much for presenting this paper. Yes, now coming to the faculty category. Yes, it's like all the paper were really up to the mark. And but then too, as I told, the best has to be there. So yes, from all of them, 4 are the best paper recommended over here. So here, the very first comes from Assistant Professor Sagar Kunbi sir from BMS department. A very proud moment for us. Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you for presenting your paper. Next, Assistant Professor Swati Sehgal ma'am has also presented her paper very nicely in our national conference. Thank you, Swati ma'am, for keeping up this performances. Thank you. Next, it's Ruhi Main ma'am. Okay. She is from BMS as well as from BAF department also. Thank you, Ruhi ma'am. You have also presented your paper very nicely, and thank you. Thank you so much. Yes. The last but not the least, yes, sure. It's Vandana Mathur ma'am from BMS department. She has also presented her paper very nicely. Very nicely. The content, what this presenter has present, it's really very commendable. They all have given their values, their times, their ethics over here in this national conference. I am really very delightful awarding them as a gold medalist paper presentation here in this national conference. Thank you so much, all of you. So, thank you, everyone.
Ending with our felicitation program. Thank you so much, Priyanka Nadar ma'am, for giving your precious time to all of us. Now, I would like to conclude our National E-Conference with a valedictory speech by Assistant Professor Soni Singh ma'am, Coordinator of BMS, BAF and TSDC.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of the ZSCT's Thakur Shyam Narayan Degree College, I, Assistant Professor Soni Singh, that is coordinator of Bachelor of Management Studies, that is BMS, and Bachelor of Commerce in Accounting and Finance, that is BAF, feel privileged to deliver valedictory speech and conclude note on one day national e-conference on the topic of issues, challenges, obstacles, barriers to organizational goal achievement in regards to managerial aspects. Organized by the Department of BMS of TSTC, that is Thakur Shyamnarayan Degree College, Mumbai, Maharashtra, on 29th of November 2021, that is today, Monday. This conference proved to be the meeting ground for the research scholars, lecturers, and students of BMS and BAF and allied subjects. It was an effective platform to share their knowledge and ideas. During this valedictory ceremony, I would like to highlight some point starting with the principal sir who has given the inaugural speech, okay, regarding this our national conference of TSDC, Thakur Shyamnaran Degree College. The topic issues, challenges, obstacles, barriers. The way he introduced the topic was really recommendable. Thank you, Principal Sir. Thank you. Proceeding with the chief guest of the day, that is Dr. G.D. Girisa, the principal of the KLE Society College. I would like to proceed my I would like to feel the thankfulness, the gratitude towards Dr. Girisa, chief guest of the function. Yes, he is the principal and he has given us the view, the way how to deal with the things, how to consider the things positively. He has delivered a speech on the issues and the challenges, and it was really, really, really remarkable. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for enlightening us with such words. Thank you. Sir also provides us with the values of the business ethics, I can tell. Thank you, sir, for providing that. I congratulating all the organizers of the conferences. Sorry, today's conference for the National Youth Conference. This is a forum where all the PMS and BAF fraternity can interact and share their ideas. I am congratulating to all the participants and winners and concluding the session with the inspiring words of the students. That is for the students. Nothing is difficult if you make up your mind, anything can be done successfully. Thank you. Thank you, everyone, and congratulate each and everyone for the massive success of this National E Conference of PNS Department. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thanks for giving your support and valuable time.
Thank you so much, Soni ma'am. Now, I would like to request Assistant Professor Swati Sehgal ma'am to conclude today's e-conference with a vote of thanks.
Good evening, one and all present here. Honorable dignitaries, respected principal, Mr. Chairman, Mr. CEO, our most valued invited guests and participants, it's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this national conference organized by IQAC and Bachelor of Management Studies of Thakur Shannaran Degree College. I, Swati Sehgal, Assistant Professor on behalf of ZSCT, Thakur Shamnarayan Degree College, Mumbai, and the entire organizing team here together and on my own behalf extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all speakers for gracing your important work and sharing with us your valuable information and opinions today. On behalf of my college and the entire management group here, I spread my most sincere thanks to our chief guest and keynote speaker, Dr. G.B. Giri, who is the principal of KLE Society's College of Science and Commerce, Kalamboli, New Mumbai. We have been fortunate to have a renowned personality and academician among us who have contributed in our national conference by sharing his valuable learnings on this topic. Thank you so much, sir. Further, I would like to extend my big thanks to Master of the Conference, our Principal Dr. Sharad Pulari, sir, of Thakur Shamnarayan Degree College, for his perfect logistic support, consistent guidance, and standing as a pillar of strength, without whom this conference would not have been possible. Thank you so much, sir. I take this occurrence to thank our BMS coordinator, Mrs. Soni Singh, for her untiring hard work in organizing this conference, and my colleagues, Mrs. Vandana Mathur, Ms. Kajal Gala, Ms. Shana Sheikh, Ms. Ruhi Meg, Ms. Shweta Singh, Ms. Nehal Patel, and Mr. Sagar Kunbi, to not only support for organizing this conference, but also for being mentor to our student presenters and for representing their valuable views on the theme of the conference. I must remark a proficient sense of gratefulness to all of our students as participants for sharing with us some of the finest management practices in regards to this conference theme by presenting their research papers. And really hearty gratitude to all the speakers for sharing their graceful words with us in today's conference. It has been a tribute to host all the members and audience of the conference. Once again, I'm thankful to our chief guest, Dr. Giri, our principal, Dr. Sharad Pulari, BMS coordinator, Sori Madam, my team members, students, and all the dear participants for participating and attending this national conference. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Swati ma'am. And I thank each and everyone present over here for giving their valuable time for today's National E-Conference. Thank you so much.